Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So let's get into it. Today we're off to see the talented team at Advanced Detail to see if we can resurrect the paintwork after the mud bath at the Colin Elmore Rally. Before we get started, give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe. That's what helps us keep going, making new videos for you. First things first, a proper wash. So the guys at Advanced Detail have agreed to see what they can do to sort the paintwork out on the car. Once they've got the car clean, we're looking at some machine polishing, ceramic coating and some paint protection film around the most vulnerable areas.
Two and a half hours washing it and going around everything, making sure it's nice and clean.
Once it was all cleaned up, it was time for them to start working their magic.
I've done a bit of machining on the bonnet. The roof has been machined. It still looks spectacularly good when there's a coating on that, the reflection. And there's some PPF on it. So this has got the PPF on now. Nice, it's really brought the colour out. And the gloss level as well. We've not even touched that with a machine. So that's the first bit on. And so tomorrow we're going to be cracking on. That piece on. This piece, it should make this look a lot more glossy, to be fair. It should make it look shiny.
PPF, which stands for paint protection film, is fitted wet like a vinyl wrap and then heated and dried around the car so it's all moulded to shape. It's incredible stuff. If you get any damage on it, you just heat it up and it heals itself. I have absolutely no idea how that works.
I've gone a bit crazy with this PPF. We're only meant to do this part here, but we've actually done all this around here and at the top of the wing as well. So it's covered all the way down here, right down here, and getting the back box and the oil catch nice and clean. This wing's done. Just got to do the pod now. Sill's done, again like I say, the front wing. So once that's done and these little bits at the back, that's all the PPF done then, and it's literally down to coatings, which will be tomorrow morning. She should look spectacular when she's coated.
Perspex on rally cars is notoriously easy to scratch, but the guys have even managed to get most of those scratches out as well. Incredible. Finally, the restored paintwork was treated to a G-Technic ceramic coating. After 3 full days hard work by the Advanced Detail team, we pulled back the curtain and this is what we saw. Not only had they restored the paintwork, PPF coated the bottom half of the car, managed to get the exhaust back box and the oil tank to shine. They'd even had time to make a stunning job on the interior as well. This car has been rallying since 1987. That's 35 years in competition. Can you see any of that on the car now? Not one bit. What an amazing job these guys have done. Give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe, and then you'll see all the other videos we've got on the channel, and there is plenty more to come. If you've got a question about the car, if there's anything you want to know, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.